Before we begin, I would like to warmly welcome all of you to this channel and sincerely thank you for spending your valuable time with us today. By watching this video, you are taking an important step toward improving your English speaking skills, building confidence, and moving closer to fluency. This video will help you in many valuable ways. You will improve your English listening skills through simple and clear English. You will learn useful vocabulary and natural sentence patterns. You will practice pronunciation and speaking confidence. And most importantly, you will discover one of the biggest secrets to speaking English fluently and naturally. So this is not just an English lesson. This is also a lesson about confidence, communication, consistency, and personal growth. Now relax your mind, stay focused, and let's begin. Today we are going to talk about an important topic, the biggest secret to fluent English speaking. Many people dream of speaking English fluently. They spend years studying grammar rules, memorizing vocabulary, and watching English videos. But even after studying for a long time, many learners still struggle to speak confidently. Why does this happen? Because many people focus too much on learning English and not enough on using English. Here is the biggest secret to fluent English speaking. Fluency grows through daily practice, not through perfection. Yes, that is the secret. Fluent English speakers are not perfect people. They are simply people who practice consistently without giving up. Now let's practice some English sentences together. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. I can speak English fluently. I improve every day. I practice without fear. I believe in myself. Very good. Now let's go deeper. 1. Stop waiting for perfect English. Many learners are afraid to speak because they think their grammar or pronunciation is not perfect. Because of this fear, they stay silent. But remember this important truth. You do not become fluent before speaking. You become fluent by speaking. Every fluent speaker made mistakes in the beginning. Mistakes are not signs of failure. Mistakes are signs of learning. If you speak every day, even with simple English, your confidence and fluency will slowly improve. Now repeat after me. I speak without fear. Mistakes help me improve. I grow stronger every day. Excellent. 2. Think in English. One major secret behind fluency is learning to think directly in English. Many learners first think in their native language and then translate into English. This process makes speaking slow and stressful. Instead, start using simple English thoughts during daily life. For example, I am drinking coffee. I need to finish my work. The weather is beautiful today. Small daily thinking practice trains your brain to use English naturally. Now repeat after me slowly. I think in English daily. My mind becomes faster. I speak more naturally. Very good. Listen to English every day. Fluent speakers are usually good listeners. When you listen to English regularly, your brain learns pronunciation, rhythm, vocabulary, and natural sentence patterns automatically. You can listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, movies, interviews, motivational speeches. At first, you may not understand everything. That is completely normal. The important thing is consistency. The more you listen, the more natural English becomes in your mind. Now repeat after me. I learn through listening. I improve every day. My fluency grows naturally. Excellent. Number 4. Practice speaking daily. Fluency is like a muscle. If you do not use it regularly, it becomes weak. But when you practice daily, your confidence and speaking ability becomes stronger. You can practice by speaking in front of a mirror, recording your voice, repeating English sentences aloud, talking to friends, describing your daily activities in English. Even 10 or 15 minutes of practice every day can create huge improvement over time. Now repeat after me slowly and clearly. I practice English daily. Consistency creates fluency. I never stop learning. Very good. Number 5, believe in yourself. Many learners fail not because they lack ability, but because they lose confidence too quickly. Sometimes they compare themselves with fluent speakers and feel discouraged. But remember this, every expert was once a beginner. Fluency takes time, patience, and courage. If you continue practicing, you will definitely improve. Now repeat after me confidently. I believe in myself. I stay patient. I will become fluent. Excellent. Now let me tell you a meaningful story. There was once a young man who wanted to speak English fluently. He studied grammar for years and memorized many vocabulary words, but whenever he tried to speak, he became nervous and silent. One day he met an English teacher who gave him simple advice. The teacher said, "Stop trying to sound perfect. Start trying to communicate." Those words changed his mindset completely. From that day, he started practicing English every single day. He listened to English videos while traveling. He spoke to himself in English. He practiced in front of a mirror, and he stopped being afraid of mistakes. At first, his English was very simple, but little by little, his confidence grew. After several months, he could speak naturally in conversations. 1 year later, he spoke English confidently with people from different countries. Why did he improve? Not because he was perfect, not because he was naturally talented. He improved because he practiced consistently and refused to give up. This story teaches us a powerful lesson. Fluency is built through daily action, not daily excuses. Now think about your own English journey. Are you waiting too long before speaking? Are you afraid of mistakes? Remember this, every small practice session makes you stronger. Now take a deep breath and repeat after me slowly and confidently. I speak with confidence. I improve every day. I learn from mistakes. I will become fluent. Excellent. Now let's understand another important truth. Fluent English speaking is not about using difficult words. It is about expressing your ideas clearly, naturally, and confidently. The more you practice, the easier speaking becomes. Now repeat after me one final time. I continue practicing. I stay positive. I never give up. I become fluent step by step. Very good. At the end of this video, remember one powerful truth. The biggest secret to fluent English speaking is simple. Practice consistently. Believe in yourself and never be afraid of mistakes. So continue learning, continue practicing, and never stop believing in your potential. One day, you will speak English fluently and confidently. Keep learning English, keep building confidence, and keep moving forward toward your dreams. Thank you again for watching this video and supporting this channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.